Hey everyone, so welcome to your first chapter. In this first chapter, let's just look at how do we create things in 3D Studio Max. To create objects, you can see on the right side, everything's organized here. You can create whatever objects you feel like, box, sphere, cylinder, torus, teapot, whatever. So just to give you a quick demo, you can just quickly drag and create a 3D object like this, all right? So here we go. As you can see, that's your 3D box right here. Similarly, you can also create a cylinder or a tube right here. You can even create from a perspective view, or you can use your left view if needed. Remember, the way or the view from which you design your objects matter. So as you can see, for instance, if I have to make a teapot in this viewport from the top view, so it will appear that the teapot's sitting on the grid. As you can see on my screen as well, the grid's very prominent and visible. Now if I create the same teapot from the left view, this is what happens, and if I do the same from the front view, this is what happens. So always remember, the view matters. The view that you use to create this object is really important. So keeping that in mind, go ahead, have fun, create some objects, and also not just explore the standard primitives. I also encourage you guys to check out the extended primitives, which has a few more advanced objects. For example, you have this box, but it also has some chamfering options in it, which is pretty awesome. You also have an oil tank, you have a hose, you also have some other objects such as stairs, in case if you want to try creating some stairs. They are pretty awesome, as you can see right here. And yeah, you also, so experiment with these stairs. Then you also have doors. So you have 3 different kinds of doors. So let me just show you an example. You want to make sure that it's thin, it's not thick. So you want to make a thin door and let it grow like this. And when you want to stop the creation process, just ensure to right click. So let me just demonstrate that once again. So if you're trying to make a door or any 3D objects, once you're done, to stop the creation process, just right click on your mouse and it will stop the creation process. And now you're back to the manipulation process. Okay. So similarly, you also have windows. So you have 6 different kinds of windows. So I would recommend you guys to explore all these options. Standard primitive, extended primitives, then you have doors, windows, stairs. Okay, so have fun, and I hope you guys create some awesome stuff. With that, thank you so much.